Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the playlist SketchUp Coding for Beginners. Today's objective will be to draw a face using coding in SketchUp. So let's get started. So this is the SketchUp screen. So before coding, we first draw a face in this model manually. So to draw a face, what we can do is we can just go to this line button and click on one point. Let's select another point. Let's take another, and at last come to the same point. Then it will create a face over here like this. So what you can understand is that if you get all the coordinates of these vertices, then you can draw a face. So that is the simple concept. So this is the simple concept we are going to use to draw a face using coding. So let's delete this all. Press Ctrl V to go to Ruby code editor. Then let's assign first the points. Let's say the point 1 to be 0, 0, 0, point 2 as, and point 3 to be, let's say 0, and let's say 4 to be. So these are the 4 points. And to combine all these points into one array, so we can assign the points to be point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4. Now what we are doing is that we are assigning all these points into one variable name, which is PTS points. Now what we are going to do is we are going to draw a face. For this we have the command add face these points. So what it does is we're going to add face on SketchUp active model.entities, and to draw this face it uses these number of points. So let's press Ctrl R to run this command, and you can see in this model it draws a face. So what if you made a mistake while assigning the points? Let's say instead of 0 we got let's say 10, and press Ctrl R. So it says the points are not planar. So to draw a face, all these points must lie in the same plane. So we have already discussed in the previous video, you can also assign the points by using this command. Which gives the same result, but it's quite long, so we don't usually prefer this method. So we use this simple method. Let's go to model and delete this. And so if you don't want these points to be assigned in another variable, you can just delete this, and you can just write here point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4, and run this command by pressing Ctrl R, and it also gives the same result. So no need to assign these points as a new variable, so it still works fine. And if you just want to draw the face in just one lines of code, so instead of writing these variable name, you can also just write these points. Let's copy this by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V, and let's delete all these points. So this will be the shortest condensed way of drawing the face by using these 4 points. So let's go to the model, delete this, and then let's go to this editor and press Ctrl R to run this program, and it will give the same result. So it is your preference whether to use these points inside this command or first assign it to some variables and then use that. So you can use any of these methods to draw the face. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.